Prepositions are small words that show relationships between other words in a sentence. They connect nouns or pronouns to other words to express place, time, direction, or manner. Think of prepositions as bridges that link ideas together clearly. Prepositions show how things relate to each other in space, time, or action. They connect a noun or pronoun to another word to show position like under the table, time like at noon, or direction like toward the door. Every preposition creates a clear relationship between two parts of a sentence. Prepositions mainly fall into two big categories. Place and position prepositions tell us where something is located. Time prepositions tell us when something happens. These two types cover most everyday usage in English sentences. For place we use in, on, at, under, between, beside, above, below, behind, next to, inside, and outside. For time we use at, on, in, before, after, during, until, by, since, from, to, and within. These are the most frequently used prepositions in daily conversation. On shows something touching a surface like book on table. Under shows something below another object like cat under chair. Above shows position higher than something else like bird above house. Between shows position in the middle of two things like ball between boxes. At shows specific clock time like at 7 a.m. on shows specific days like on Monday. In shows longer time periods like in 1995. For shows duration like for 3 hours, since shows starting point like since 2010, by shows deadline like by Friday. To shows movement toward a destination like walk to school. Through shows passing within something like drive through tunnel. Into shows entering an enclosed space like jump into pool. Around shows circular path like go around corner. Across shows from one side to other like run across street. By shows means of transportation like travel by car. With shows accompanying quality like speak with confidence. Because of shows reason like canceled because of rain. For shows purpose like study for success. To shows receiving benefit like thanks to helpers. Rule 1. Prepositions always show relationships between words in a sentence. Rule 2. Prepositions must come before nouns or pronouns, never before verbs directly. These two rules help you use prepositions correctly every time. Practice making daily sentences using different prepositions. Read books and notice preposition patterns in context. Listen carefully during conversations and pay attention to context clues. Consistent practice builds natural preposition usage.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.